Meet Surya Raj, a visionary who transformed from a dedicated electrician to a leading industrialist, overseeing more than 1,000 employees. His journey began with an electrician's diploma from NSTI Hyderabad, followed by a pivotal 15-year tenure at HMT. In 1991, he founded Dynamic Engineers, which later became Dynamic Tools Private Limited, now a thriving enterprise with over 250 skilled workers.
Hi, my name is Surya Raj. Studied in Hyderabad matriculation in the year 1969. I was sent to ITI, that is CTA Central Training Institute Vidyanagar, where I have studied, completed my 2 years electrician's course. After 1974, completed my 1 year apprenticeship in HMT and completed my apprenticeship and joined in HMT in 1976. From 1976 October to 1992, I have worked as an electrician in HMT. During my studies, I have worked dedicatedly to the organization, and I was having a vision around in the year 1980s and all. So I was having a vision of starting an engineering industry. So by that way, I have went around the company regularly in HMT and learned a lot of technology in HMT. And after learning a lot of things, I have started my own business in 1988 in part-time. In 92, I have resigned to HMT. So coming out from the HMT, my salary was 4,000, and I came out because I was having a vision of doing of my own engineering industry. I have started one small engineering industry in a small locality in Hyderabad. When I have started my own industry in 1986 to 92, there were only 5 employees. So after growing a little, shifted my small industry to a bigger one, medium one, at a nearby Sanatnagar. It is a full-fledged workshop. I purchased one shed where about 70 employees were working. So when I have started my industry at Balanagar, in this engineering industry, 700 employees are working. So it was my passion to accommodate more and more employees into the company. So hence I wanted to become a big industrialist. So today, more than 1,000 employees are working in my group of companies. I have expanded extended one more industry by name, SKM Technologies, and similarly one more industry at another place that is called Dynamic Aerospace Technologies Private Limited. So I have expanded 2 different industries. There also about 100 employees are working today, and there are very big prospects in those employees. One, SKM Technologies is catering to the product to defense and aerospace, and another Dynamic Aerospace Technologies Private Limited is catering to sugar mills, windmill technology, etc. So that is our aim. So today my entire group of these 2 companies plus one main company, Dynamic Tools Private Limited, is more than 1,000 employees company. So it is my passion, and my industry in this Balanagar area is a very big noted industry, and my area people have recognized me as the chairman of this association.
As the chairman of SKM Technologies, Surya Raj spearheads production of high-precision components for global leaders. Beyond his industrial achievements, Surya Raj is deeply invested in philanthropy, uplifting schools, enhancing healthcare facilities to privileged and old-age homes, and supporting sanitation projects.
Midday meals is my program. Ambulance is my program. In that program, I have donated one full-fledged ambulance to a charitable hospital. They go to villages and do the eye service camps. When I joined in NSTI, in those days it was called MTI, Model Training Institute, in the Central Training Institute campus. Actually, I have applied for the fitter. In those days, it was very much, there was a huge demand for the technical courses, ITI or CTI. But today, ITI or CTI is very much liberal to offer the courses, so it is available and we can get easily. I am also very much interested to give my CSR funds to institute and to develop, and also I am more interested to bring students to the institute to upgrade the students' life and all. So today technical skilled employees are very less in our country. We are finding very lot of problems in getting the skilled people into the industry, but whereas today NSTI has come forward to give training to any number of students. They have also modified the training systems. Earlier 2 years plus 1 year was there, and this time now total 2 years, 1 year plus 1 year. So 1 year they are giving the training, and another 1 year they are giving in the institute. We get the training, and apart from that, industries are also coming forward to give apprenticeship training to the student. By that way, in short term, people are getting well trained. That's what I observed. They are also coming forward to modify the courses.
Today, as chairman of NSTI, he nurtures future talents, demonstrating how technical education and a generous spirit can profoundly impact society and inspire extraordinary careers.
One should have a vision. Who wants to start his own industry, one has to work hard. Only after working hard, business will be successful. And not only working hard, one should have good ideology and well vision, ethics in the business come up. One day, NSTI executives came to me and they have seen me, they have identified me. I don't know how they came, but they doesn't know by that time that I was a student of NSTI. They have invited me to be as a chairman of the institute. When they have given me the opportunity, happily I have agreed, because I have studied in that institute. So that was made me very much happy.